welcome back to my channel. It's xoxo here, and today, based on the title, you know that today's video is about hair. And I have been getting some comments on my Instagram or some message in my Instagram saying why did I cut my hair, how can I do something so crazy, just why this, why the other, why the third. So the reason why I cut my hair is because my hair was long. Yes, it was long, but it wasn't healthy. It had a lot of breakage and split ends. I wasn't feeling myself with my hair like that. The reason why is because I was pregnant. I wasn't taking good care of my hair myself. When baby was born, everything is about her, you know. So yeah, but now I decided to get serious on myself and just start taking good care of myself, you know, because baby is getting bigger. I can start now taking good care of myself, and for that I started with cutting my hair. So yeah, now I'm gonna be taking extremely good care of my hair again, so that it can be healthy, you know, beautiful, shine, soft, long, all of them things. So one of the reasons then why I'm making this video is because when I was in Nicaragua, my sister, shout out Sachin, she taught me how to do this ginger oil for my hair, and it really helps. Also, it just smells so good, you know. Ginger has so much benefit for your whole body. So yeah, it's just two things you're gonna need for this remedy or this ginger oil, and it's gonna be some olive oil, some extra olive oil, and some ginger root. All right, so this is very simple to do, guys. If you don't want to use olive oil, you can use whatever oil you want. You can use coconut oil, you can use Jamaican castor oil, you can use avocado oil, you can use any oil you want. But Lassie, thank you. But in my preference, I just prefer olive oil because it have a low scent, you know, it doesn't smell that strong. But coconut oil have this strong scent. But anyways, it's your preference, guys. I'm just gonna be using olive oil, and yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so the first step is to peel the ginger. I am using 2 small roots. You can use the amount you want. Alright, so let me tell you some benefit of this ginger oil. It's very good because it helps with your hair growth, it fights dandruff, it helps with your blood circulation of the scalp, it stops your hair loss and remove the itching of your scalp. Alright guys, so this is the fun part. We are going to grate our ginger. Be careful because I cut myself. So as you can see, I have a little less than a half cup of grated ginger. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting this in this little plastic container, just like this. Let me tell you guys, you're gonna love this oil. I promise you, you're gonna thank me later. Alright, so now I'm just gonna be adding the same amount. For the same amount of ginger, you're gonna put the same amount of oil. Alright, so as you can see, I am putting the exact same amount in the same container, and then what I'm gonna be doing is I am just going to give this a little stir, you know, just to make everything gets together, the oil and the ginger. And then what we are gonna do is bring it to a boil, and this is gonna take for 15 minutes, guys. You can do 10, but I just give a little bit extra time, you know. I just give it 15 minutes boil. And what I'm gonna be doing next is just straining my ginger oil like this, and just putting a strainer and then a little sheet for strain it very good. As you can see, you gotta be careful because it's still warm. So yeah, make sure you squeeze all of the oil until it's very dry, just like this. So as you can see, I have 4 ounces of oil. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna put this in the little container where it's gonna be fermenting for 1 week, guys. All right, don't forget, make sure you keep this for 1 week before you use it, and then you can use it for 3 weeks. All right, you can use this oil for 3 weeks. I promise you guys, this is so good for your hair. Just do it. Whenever you finish your 3 weeks, make sure you comment down below my video and tell me however it go. If it go good for you, I promise you it's not gonna go bad. All right, here I'm just writing on this little sticker that I got from Amazon. I just writing ginger oil for my container, you know. Oh guys, I almost forgot. If you are living in a place that is very hot, like extremely hot, you gotta put this in the refrigerator, because if not, it's gonna go bad. Alright, so just keep that in mind. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and you find it really helpful. I have here my 2 liter container of ginger oil, and next time I'm gonna be showing you guys how I apply, or when do I apply. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I see you in my next video. Bye.